Hey grade twos, this morning I'm in the kitchen and I'm thinking about some science. Today we're going to learn about how we can change different materials. No, I don't mean the way we can change the material of our clothes. Today we're learning about how objects have different properties. Materials change in different ways. They can be heated, melted, chopped, and cooked. When a change can be undone, we call that a physical change. Physical changes come in many forms. We call them physical changes because sometimes it can alter the shape, appearance, or form of a physical object. Take, for example, this spoon. I can bend the spoon, but it's a physical change because I can bend it back. Let's have a look at some other types of changes. When objects go through a physical change, it's usually easy to reverse the change. If I took this 10 grams of sugar and I poured in some warm water and I gave it a bit of a mix, most of the sugar will dissolve. This is called a physical change because the sugar crystals are becoming part of the water. But if I left it sitting in the sun long enough, the water would evaporate and the sugar crystals would return. When a change can't be undone, we call this a chemical change. Take, for example, this egg. Put my two halves over here. When I cracked the egg into the pan, it came out runny, clear, and yellow. But as I apply heat, it cooks the egg. It not only changes colour, but it also becomes what we call a solid. This is a chemical change because it can't be reversed. You remember that today's task in integrated studies is to investigate your own form of change. Using frozen water, a solid liquid, you're going to investigate and discover and predict what changes might happen to your water in your experiment. I think you're going to enjoy the task. Oh, another change has occurred. Is it a chemical or a physical one?